The prayer of Jesus for his disciples is an inclusive one that applies to all the believers of the Word, you and me as well. Jesus prays to his Father for unity and intercedes for eternal glory with him in the paradise. The unity he prays for is our unity with God and with our neighbors. Union with God results in harmonious living with the other, because the God with whom we are united in love dwells in every person we come in contact with. The harmonious living brings forth the paradise here on earth and makes us partakers of God's glory in the life to come. Jesus wished and prayed for the unity of his people with himself and with other fellow beings. But today, the Christians too are divided in the name of region, caste, and color. There exist many divisive forces among us, making us counter-witness to the God of love who embraces everyone, saints, sinners, rich, poor, elite, and the downtrodden. Loving all in God is the hallmark of Christian charity. Let us seek for unity in love and bear witness to our Christian identity and discipleship. May our mind and heart resonate with the prayer, Lord Jesus, help me to love everyone in God.